Hey there, fellow Pinterest enthusiasts. Today, I've got something super cool to share with you all. Have you ever wanted to spice up your website or blog with a Pinterest widget to showcase your favorite pins? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how to create a Pinterest widget using FeedWind in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Head to FeedWind and sign up for a free account. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, just like making a cup of coffee in the morning. Step 2. Once signed up, click the Create Widget button. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Select Pinterest from the list of available sources. Trust me, you're going to be amazed at the customization options you have at your fingertips. Step 4. Now, it's time to customize your widget. Choose the layout, color scheme, and size that best fits your website or blog. This is where you get to let your creative juices flow. Step 5. After you're happy with how your widget looks, simply copy the embed code provided by FeedWind. Step 6. Paste the embed code into your website or blog where you want the Pinterest widget to appear. It's as easy as pasting a link in a text message. And there you have it, your very own Pinterest widget created using FeedWind. How awesome is that? Now, sit back, relax, and watch as your favorite pins come to life on your website or blog. Remember, the key to a successful Pinterest widget is to keep it fresh and updated regularly. So don't forget to add new pins and boards to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Now, go ahead and show off your Pinterest prowess to the world with your customized widget. Trust me, you're going to wow everyone. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in and happy pinning.